Hello, everybody. This is Madhu from Neo Overseas Educational Consultants. Our office is located in Hyderabad, in Amirpet, beside Amirpet Metro Station. You will find a building called Vasavi MPM. In that, we are on 10th floor. So, in this YouTube video, we are going to discuss about UK student visa. How to get a UK student visa, how to get a work permit in UK, and how to settle down in UK. So for UK immigration, for getting a student visa, it is called a point-based system. So altogether, you will need to claim 50 points in order to get a visa. 50 points. So 30 points will be given for the admission, 10 points will be given for the maintenance, and 10 points will be given for the English language. So if you score good marks in +2 in English subject, so IELTS is not required, is not mandatory, but it is better to have IELTS. Instead, if you have very good marks in +2 in English subject, so if you can send those documents, then we will be able to let you know whether if your IELTS condition could be waived or not. So in order to get admission, you will need to submit your passport, front and back, your 10th class, your intermediate, your degree, provisional, consolidated, resume, and if there is any gap, then you will need to submit as the work experience document. Once you submit these documents, we will be able to get the admission done. Once we get the admission, then you will be able to get 30 points for the admission. After that, we need to score 10 points for your maintenance funds. For example, your university fees is £10,000, let's say, then you will pay 50%, which is like £5,000, and balance £5,000 you can pay in installments if universities are offered the installment package for you. So balance £5,000 and living expenses approximately £10,000. We need to show altogether £15,000, which is like £5,000 is the balance fee and £10,000 is for the living expenses. Approximately £15,000 we need to have in our bank account from last 28 days. If you have this money in your bank account from last 28 days, then you will be able to score 10 points for your maintenance funds. 30 points will be given for the admission, 10 points will be given for the maintenance funds, and other 10 points that is for the English language. So if you have a IELTS or if you have good marks in +2 in English subject, then you will be able to score 10 points for your English language. So altogether 50 points. So if you score 50 points, so your visa, they are as per the published guidance, UK published guidance, so your visa will be issued. So make sure that if you wanted to go to UK, it is a very good opportunity to settle down in UK, because UK government has announced post study work visa in UK. So once you complete your masters or bachelors in UK, then you will be given 2 years work permit in UK. So masters in UK is 1 year and 1 year is internship, and 2 years is a work permit. So once you complete your 2 year study program, then you will be given 2 years post study work visa. With this post study work visa, in 2 years time you can work full time, and also you will be able to find very good jobs in UK, and later then you can apply for the permanent residency if you have been offered a work permit. And if you can stay in UK for 5 years on a work permit, then you will be given permanent residency and indefinite stay. Also you will be able to claim the British citizenship in UK. So it is very simple procedure. Altogether you will need to claim 50 points, 30 points is given for the admission, 10 points is given for the finance, and 10 points is for the English language. In case if you don't have IELTS, PT or TOEFL, Duolingo, then you will need to find the English marks in +2 English subject. If you have good marks in English subject, then IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo is not required. Most of the universities, they only see your +2 marks. If you have good marks in English subject in +2, then IELTS are not mandatory. With this, we can get your admission done. So for more information, yes, you can contact me. My number would be 98490 3551. Once again, it is 98490 3551 35551, and our office is at Amirpet beside a metro station. We are on 10th floor. Neo Overseas Educational Consultants, a specialist UK visa advisor. Thank you.